How are you? I am fine, and you? Do you know something? Yes, I know everything. Why is Santa's tummy so big? I know, children can be brutally honest. As they observe their surroundings, they speak what's on their mind without considering other people's emotions. These kids are yet to learn how to filter their thoughts and know what they should and should not say. So when they see someone whose makeup is a mess, they may automatically ask what happened to that person's face. Even Santa is not safe from this. How old is Santa Claus? If Santa Claus existed for a long time already and has given gifts to children for generations, your kids may wonder how old he is. The correct answer to that would be 1,750 years old, since Santa, Saint Nicholas, was born around 280 AD. The belief, though, is that he stopped counting after he reached 550 years old. But that may spur more questions than answers. Like, if he's that old, how can he still send gifts to children on Christmas? The short answer to that will be, he is old, but he has magic, and he can live forever.